Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check settings general about for iOS version, and make sure you have your VPN account details or the provider app downloaded. Open the VPN app or go to Settings VPN to start configuration. This is faster if you already signed in to the provider. Once done, grant any required permissions and allow Add VPN configuration when prompted. You're setting the secure channel now, so proceed without skipping authorization prompts. This avoids connection failures later. You now enter the detailed settings. If using the settings route, tap Add VPN configuration, choose the protocol, then type the server address, remote ID, and your username and password. If the provider gave a certificate or shared secret, install it or paste it in the correct field. This verifies identity and prevents man-in-the-middle alerts. Once done, save and test the connection. Using the app instead often automates these fields, but you should still verify the server region and protocol for speed and security. You finish by turning the VPN toggle on in settings or tapping connect inside the app. The status should change to connected and a VPN icon appears in the status bar. Once connected, route traffic through the VPN, make sure apps load and IP checks reflect the VPN server. If it fails, disconnect, toggle airplane mode briefly, then reconnect network and try again. If problems persist, reinstall the app or contact provider support and collect error messages. This helps resolve credential, server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.